See, I think he's not interested in me.
Stop saying that. He's interested in you.
Or maybe he's seen another girl.
None that I know of. He would have brought her to the palace now. Stop saying all these things.
You mean he hasn't brought any girl to the palace?
I'm serious. He hasn't.
So why is he not, talking to me? Maybe he has not told me he likes me or anything.
Did you guys start a fight?
Am I mad? Ha! No, God forbid. How? Who am I to fight with the prince of our land? No, there's nothing like that. The thing is, maybe he still sees me as an outcast. Maybe I'm not beautiful enough. I know I'm not up to his class, but I cannot help these feelings. It keeps growing every day by day. I could barely control my feelings when I'm in his presence. And he's draining me. And he has not even told me, oh, I like you, I love you, I want you to be my girlfriend.
I understand, but relax. Relax, everything will be fine. Hey, just give him some time. Everything will be fine, trust me.
Yeah, I'm falling in love with him.
I know.
Oh, you think I'm crossing the boundary?
Just relax, give him time. No, I know.
He's such a good man.
I know.
Brother, I'm talking to you. Is everything alright with you? I saw you putting your bags in the boot. Where are you going to? Are you not the one I'm talking to?
How does it concern you? Huh? Where I'm going to, how does it concern you? Leave my room.
But I'm your sister.
I said, oh, now you know. Now you know. Leave me alone. Get out of my room. I said, get out of my room. Let me be. Leave my room.
What a surprise visit.
Yeah,
I
came with someone you would love to know.
Someone who? Who's up?
Meet Uzamaka, my very good friend. And she works at the palace.
Oh, really?
Who's up? Sit. And the interesting part of it is that she's assigned to the princess and responsible for everything about her. You're making headways.
That means she's the girl we need for the job.
Of course. She will help you finish the princess. Just tell her what you want.
I'm even happy that you are here now. I was even coming to look for you.
Can you imagine what your son said? That boy is growing wings. I am going to clip them.
What did he say?
He said he's no more going to live with us here because I did not approve his proposal. Can you imagine?
I thought he has already forgotten about the proposal after we found him a bride. This is obviously the handiwork of that devil of a girl that was here with us in the palace.
You better talk to him. You better talk to him because if I do what I have in mind, I will finish you.
Father, what is going on? My brother has already packed his things. He said he's leaving the palace at once. What is happening, mother?
He's ready. So he has done this thing? He has done it, what he promised? Okay. Oh, see, have you seen what you cost?
This life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality. Abolish the slavery and segregation. Makanyini never fool. We are one now. We are one now. Anyini never fool. We are one now. We are one. We are one. And in the neighborhood. Let's stop the segregation. Let's stop the discrimination. And let's love all India. No more fighting. No more killing. And in the neighborhood. See, this life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality. Abolish the slavery and segregation. Makanyini never fool.
Calm down. He will be back.
What if he doesn't come back? You know how stubborn your son is.
Poverty has a way of resetting someone's senses. Huh? When hardship hits him harder, he will come back.
Only God knows what will happen to that girl if I lay my hands on her. She will regret messing with my family. And she will regret ever coming into this world.
Do you know that a villager came complaining that our son beat him up just because he beat a slave? That boy, Kanayo, is taking too much. Huh? I'm going to handle him.
What am I going to do? My king, what do we do?
Leave me, let me think.
You froze my account.
Hi. I'm so sorry about that. So you have nothing on you?
But it's okay. It's okay. I'm not really bothered. What matters to me is that I'm doing the right thing.
But this is so unfair. You are his son. No matter what, he's not supposed to treat you this way.
Unfortunately, my father doesn't see it that way. He treats me the way he likes, but it's okay. It's okay. That's life. When you take certain decisions in life, you must be prepared for the outcome. It's alright. What matters to me is that I'm doing the right thing. Okay? I'm being selfless. I'm helping my people, you know. I want my people to experience fairness, equity and justice. I want my people to be free, to be liberated. That's what matters to me.
I understand. My prince, the truth is, since I was born, I have never seen a man like you. You're so compassionate, you're so humble, you're so kind. Look at you now, sacrificing and taking risk for people who would barely say thank you. They don't even know the magnitude of what you're doing for them. Yet you do it. You will never lack. My God will bless you. My God will continue to protect you. Thank you so much for everything you have done. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about your account. This place is equally your home. You can stay here with me. All you need to do is to tell me better ways to make you more comfortable.
It's alright. It's alright. You're doing your best already. I won't be spending the night here. I'll be going to my friend's place.
Is there anything pushing you?
No. I just want to be there, you know. Guys, just spend some time together. But I'll be coming down more often.
Okay. I'm so sorry for what happened.
Go well.
service. We will never expose Iroma's whereabouts.
Yes, I know. I know.
Let them keep guessing where the prince is. You and I know where he is. But we'll just keep it as a secret for Iroma's sake.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. And we'll talk to Onyeka as well as Dede to make sure they are with us on this. Especially now that the prince is nowhere to be found.
Okay. Even the queen asked me to summon all the guards. We already know what she wants to talk about.
I know, now we are.
Okay, let's eat.
Izo,
Your Majesty.
I have invited the village hunters. Lead them. Comb everywhere. Find my son and bring him to me. Even the forests, the neighboring kingdoms. Look for him. I need to see him before the end of today. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. And you, traitor? You knew the whereabouts of the slave girl and you hid it from me. I shall find her. And when I do, I will bury you alongside with her alive. Idiot. Take him away and lock him up.
Coward! I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Now move if I behead you.
I am not scared of death. Neither am I afraid to die for what I believe in. This kingdom must be free from a tyrant like you. It must rise above hate and the unjust calling of sentencing people also when we're supposed to be united.
You still have the nerves to talk. Idiot. Take him away!
My prince, thank you so much. Yes, hope you've been making sales since I left.
I've been making sales, so just that I'm not so sure I sold at the right prices because people are really suffering. Somebody will come and beg and cry. I'm always very compassionate. I hope I sold well.
I pray you sold well too, because all these suppliers, they don't give me discount at all. Things are very difficult. And now my career has finished. I hope you made money for me.
I made money. You now calculate. I just hope I don't ruin your business. Don't be leaving me here, you know. Try to, stay in around.
It's okay.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, I got a message that my mother sent some guards to look for me. So I'll be going to the palace to clarify things.
My love, my prince, you have to be very careful. I can't wait for all of this to be over.
It's all right. It's all right. I'll be careful. I'm always careful. And God has never disappointed us.
Amen.
He will not disappoint us now.
Amen. I brought food for you.
Thank you. Thank you. I hope you made my favorite.
Yes.
You gave me this one.
Yes, I will.
Guy, relax. Relax.
Now stop telling me relax, Joe. What do you mean? Relax. How? How can I relax? How can I relax when the only girl that could have helped us decline the offer is you're telling me relax?
Guy, she will come around. Just relax.
How? Okay, Oya, tell me. How will she come around? How can she come around? Someone has already told us that she's not ready to betray the princess. So what are you saying?
That's because she's hoping that the princess will connect her to the brother, the prince. But you and I know that it won't be possible.
But she believed it is possible, and that was why she refused our request.
I say again, my dear friend, relax. Abazina speed. She will come around. You ought to have known what will be possible by now and what not to be possible. But to relax, Abazina speed. Wow. She gave me her word
Please. What is the problem? Don't you find me attractive?
I don't understand.
You've never touched me. Is it that I'm not beautiful, or is it because I'm not in your level?
That's not it. And you are beautiful, alright, but... Also, I care about you, but that's it. I can't go any further, I'm sorry.
Why?
Because I can't love anyone right now. That's not my problem. Right now, I just want to work for my people and make sure they are fine, right? I want to liberate my people from the shackles of poverty, dejection, segregation, and hardship. If I understand, your feelings, that's why I choose to be here. I don't want to hurt you, because what you want is not what I want at the moment. Please bear with me. If it hurts you, I'm sorry.
Since you came, you refused to sleep in the room with me. I can't even leave the bed for you.
Don't worry. You can have the bed. Please, I'd rather be here. Don't feel bad. If it hurts you, I'm sorry, but let's just leave it that way, okay? Good night.
Life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality.
I'm glad you're back, my son.
I came back to let you know that freezing my accounts will not stop me from doing what is right. Which is me fighting for the abolishment of the Osuka system.
My son, your life will be very miserable without money.
Father, what can be more miserable than sitting back and watching a segment of my people suffer for nothing? Huh? Seeing some of my people being humiliated, treated like they are nothing. I mean, why? In this century right now, why? Why are we being backward? Father, if you cannot give me your word here and now that you're going to abolish that system, Father, I will leave. And I will never, ever return until the day I'm crowned king.
The kingmakers will never crown a prince who ran away from his father's land to be with a curse.
I don't mind, Father. If they don't want to crown me, it's okay. What matters to me is that I'm fighting for the emancipation of the oppressed, and I'll never stop.
Kanayo, what has that thing fed you with? That you're talking to us like this? What is it?
Nothing, Mother. I'm only doing the right thing. Father, are you ready to grant my wish?
We are never going to see that boy again. If he can stay without your money, that simply means he has nothing to do with us anymore.
Mama, please. I need to think.
What is there to think about? I need my son back. And you have to do something.
I say I want to make use of my brain. I want to make use of my head. Can't you get it? Please.
If anything should happen to that boy, we are finished. He is our future. The heir to this throne. The only son we have. I don't think you know the gravity of what is happening.
Oh. Did you remember this when you were sending him out? Did you? I'm asking you.
Oh. You're now blaming it on me, Obia? You now blame me for it. Huh. When you masterminded the freezing of his account, did you tell me? You did not. And now you are blaming it on me.
If you had listened to yourself very well, you will know that we have failed in our responsibility as parents. We have lost him.
Never. That will never happen. If you have lost your son, I will never and have never lost mine. I will keep on searching until I find him.
Actually, before he left the palace, he invited me. He called me to a private meeting.
Oh no, thank you very much for honoring my invitation, even though it was an impromptu call. Thank you.
Thank you, the Crown Prince. Thank you very much. You know that anytime you call, I, Ono, and even all the cardinal chiefs will always answer you. Anytime, anywhere you want us to be.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And for that, I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
All right. let me go straight to the point. It's about the Osu caste system, which we have practiced in our place for a very long time. For many years, several years, we have discouraged social activities between us and the people we call Osu. But don't you think that as a result of this, we have chased out so many people who were destined to develop our kingdom? A lot of them. Oh no, I know many rich men and women in our society, even people I do business with, who are all outcasts. But because there are people referred to them as Osu, as outcasts, they have vowed never to go home and help develop their places. Yes. Oh no, this practice must stop. It has to stop. Before they were labeled as Osu, as outcasts, they were our brothers and sisters, and they will always be, whether we like it or not. We cannot continue chasing away our own people and expect our kingdom to be developed. So I want to know, what can be done for this ancient practice to be expunged?
This life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality. Abolish the slavery and segregation. Makanyini never fool. We are one now.
I did not say a word. I did not. And that is why I have called you here to hear your own opinion.
I know some of you may not support me or like what I want to say. But I want to tell you that the prince is right. This marginalization must stop.
Negonia must stop.
Yes.
If the same blood run in your vein and theirs, the same blood does not run in my own vein and theirs.
Ede, each Nigeria is moved by the sufferings of these people we call Osu. They are our fellow human beings. Whether they share the same blood with us or not. They have, of course, not done anything to warrant this type of treatment we mete out to them. Never.
This is 21st century. We should be moving forward and not backward.
Their forefathers committed sacrilege. Aro kwamwa kanan hamere. Kunne kwamu hunako. Omena na nai hamere na. Then to pick a kanka wezi bongo. Kuna simebi. It will not stop. It will not stop. It will not stop. It must stop. It must stop. It will not.
Wow. That was a big step you took. So, how do you intend to survive?
Of course I'll survive. Okonwo, I'm a graduate. My hands, my legs are all intact. My brain, super. I'll survive. It won't be a problem. Right now, I'm concerned about freeing my people from that evil tradition.
So where are you staying now?
I'm staying with Ihoma.
Udum?
Yep.
I am thinking. I hope it's not what I am thinking from Tinker's Corner.
Okonwo, what are you thinking? What are you thinking, Okonwo? I don't have anything to do with her. If I had something to do with her, I'll tell you. I'm not interested in any relationship right now. I just want to see my people free from that evil tradition, that's all.
Odogu, you mean to tell me that in the night, in the wee hours of the morning, you don't meander to,
Okonwo, if I had something with her, I'll tell you. I'm old enough to date anybody I want to date. That's the truth. And will you beat me?
But no.
I'll tell you now. It won't be a problem. But I don't have anything to do with her, honestly.
Hi! Odogu!
Let's leave this issue. Let's talk about something else, please.
Odogu! Odogu can't mado. Odogu ana magaka.
Onye magaka yebeyaka. Odogu. Okay, calm down. Let me now tell you how far I've gone with that my business plan.
Aha! Now you're talking. Brief me. I'm interested.
I've opened the website though.
Okay, let me see.
We are one now. We are one now. I need never fool. We are one now. We are one now.
I'm still thinking that we didn't approach this issue very well. The method we used actually pushed our boy out of the house. But we still can amend it by trying to give him an offer.
Which is?
To marry the slave girl, since it's the bone of contention.
What? No. The slave girl? Have you forgotten she's caused?
I, as the king, can make a decree and the cause will be reversed. And she will be free to marry our son.
Never. My son will never marry that girl.
That means you don't even want our son to come back. You don't want him to return. See, since it is the reason why we have this problem, and I say I will reverse the cause, why wouldn't our son return? Even the people you sent to go and look for them, when they find him and he decides not to come back, he will not come back. Think about it.
But I hate that girl. I hate her with passion. I don't like her.
You just have to like her if you want our son back. That's the hard way and the only way for the boy to return.
They go out. They go out. They go out. In Okonwo.
Father, I've heard all you said. First of all, let me thank you for giving me this opportunity. Rare opportunity, actually. For that, I applaud you for that. But I want to ask, are you making a decree that Ihoma will no longer be seen as an outcast and you're removing her from it? Very good, but What about the other people in our kingdom who are also seen as outcasts? Will it also apply to them, or is it just Ihoma?
My son, to set all the Usus free requires a lot of cleansing. Number one, all the 8 domestic animals will be sacrificed in their numbers. Secondly, other cleansing rituals will be performed and it will take months. Thirdly, and most importantly, all the former Osus and the freeborns will be made to dance the Igede together, signaling the end of the Osuka system. But in Ihuoma's case, Ezemo told me that I can set one Osu free every 3 years. And I have chosen Ihuoma because of you, to make you happy. That is why I want to set her free.
Thank you very much, Father, but that will make me happy, I'll be honest. You know, removing only Ihoma, that will not be fair. What about the other people? Other people in our kingdom who are seen as outcasts, as Osu. It won't be fair on their part. I believe you can let them go, free them. I hate to see people marginalized, you know, our own people. Father, if you do this, our people will love you more. Please.
Kanayo, stop asking your father for the impossible.
Then you people should stop asking me for the impossible as well. I can't. Yes. You can't just do this. What I'm fighting for is not just for Ihoma alone. It's for everybody in our community. It's for all the people seen as Osu, people seen as outcasts. I want them to be free. I'm fighting for everybody, not just one person. If you people can't do it, then please, Father, of course I'll never disrespect you, but please, permit me to take my leave. Let me go back to my house.
I must admit I didn't see this coming. I can't even believe that he rejected the offer, which means the issue is not about the slave girl. Our son is on an insane course, which means nothing or nobody can make him change his mind. I think I must have to summon the elders.
Not yet.
This is the time to summon the elders so that they will know what our son is doing, and for them to also know that he's not staying with us.
It will affect his kingship. The elders may deny him succeeding you, knowing that he has already denounced his family and left the palace.
I just have to let the elders know. That is if they have not known about it already. Well, if I don't do that, I may be dethroned. Yes.
This life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality. Abolish the slavery and segregation. Makanini never fool.
Ma, your letter returned.
My darling, I'm not fully back.
Yeah, so I just came to pack a few of my things and then return in search of my prince. Even though it's not easy at all.
But wait, is the prince the one you should really be searching for?
I don't understand your question. Please, what do you mean by that?
Ma, I think you should be searching for the slave girl that took your man away from you, and not the prince. Eh?
Yes. You're right. The slave girl. You know what? In as much as I'm searching for the prince, my man, I'm also searching for the slave girl. That low life took my man away from me. After all my kindness towards her. But not to worry. I can't wait to see her. I will give her the beating of her life.
Supported. Ma, I support you 101%.
Right?
See, in that case, you will be the first person I will share this information with.
Information? Come on, bring it on.
Can you afford it?
Of course. Once the information involves money, means it's very, very important, right? I can afford it.
It's very important. Don't worry.
Right?
I'll tell you later.
Thank you. Yeah, let me just get down. Thank you. You have to add some.
Salt, eh? Okay.
Yes, this one.
This one will be enough, eh?
Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
I'm
Okay, this is the point that I put pepper, eh? Just one.
Yes. Thank you.
This my own will be sweet though.
Yes, you know my akara is usually the best.
This one will be the sweetest one that I'm doing. This will be the best of them all. Hey.
Who's your auntie? So you are the devil, the storming man away from me. How dare you?
Hey, enough! What is wrong with you? Are you eating her? Have you gone mad? That's enough. Please, don't touch her again. Leave here.
Babe, what are you saying? I should leave this girl that stole you away from me? I will deal with her today. Come here. I will deal with you.
Enough! Hey! I said stop!
Baby!
You call me baby again, you see a side of me you've never seen. And don't touch her again. Can you hear me? Don't! Leave here. Go back to the palace and pack your things. Leave.
No, you can't say that to me, baby.
You want to touch her again? I said enough! Go to the palace, pack your things and leave.
What?
You heard me?
What did you just say?
I said pack your things and leave.
No, you can't say that, baby. You can't say
I said
that.
stop.
What are you saying? It shouldn't be this way. You're supposed to be apologizing to me. Yes, and not the other way around. You asked me not to deal with her. I will kill her today.
I said stop. Whatever you want to do to her, you have to pass through me. You want to kill her? Fine. Kill me. Kill me.
So what you saying?
Enough. I said enough. Leave. You heard me. I said leave.
You witch! I should have known! I should have known how terrible you are! I should have listened to the princess and the mother! But now I can see, but no problem. I will come back for you and I will deal with you! I will make sure I deal with you! Idiot! I'll deal with you! I'll deal with you!
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
My queen, is it that you didn't just hear what I just said? I said my prince asked me to leave and never return. That he's no longer interested in marrying me.
Well, I couldn't agree more with my son on this.
What?
Yes.
My queen, what did you just say?
I believe you still have ears and can hear very well. So why would you ask me to repeat what I just said?
Oh, no,
Oh, my queen, please. I beg you. See, please, I know you can speak to your mom, to talk to the prince for me, please. I beg you, I'm sorry. I'm your friend, right? My queen, please, I beg you. Just speak to the prince about me. Just talk to him just one more last time, I beg you. I wouldn't want to lose him. I'm your daughter. I know you love me so much. Please talk to him. Why are you doing this to me? I'm innocent. I was only just trying to tell the prince to
do what? No, to do what? Now listen to me and listen very attentively. My mother and I have been looking for a beautiful opportunity like this to tell you to your face that your supposed marriage with my brother has been cancelled on that bloody period.
No, exactly.
So what this means is that your stay in this palace is overdue.
Exactly.
So you leave.
No! 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 You can't do this to me. You can't do this to me.
It is true I told you I wasn't going to have any conversation with you until my son is back. But it's best I tell you now and here. Melody, if I were you, I would just walk in there, gather all your things and leave this palace before my son returns.
No.
It is better for you.
Do you want me to call the guards to escort you to the room?
Oh, please!
You?
Ostachi, please, you can't do this to me.
Leave me.
You can't do this to me.
Guards! Guards!
My princess, I have an information for you.
And you had to barge in on me like that because of your so-called useless information.
That is because I have the information you have been dying to obtain.
That still does not justify you barging in on me.
My princess, it's about Ihoma. I know where she is.
Where?
I saw her today.
Where did you see her?
Well, if you need this information, it has to come with a price.
Name your price then.
My princess, you know what I always wanted. The prince. I love him so much. Make this happen and I will give you all the information that you seek. Anything at all. I can do it for you.
Uzamaka the desperate maiden. It seems you've forgotten who I am. I am still the princess of this kingdom. And just by one order, I will have the guards extract that information from you by all means necessary. Would you want that? No, would you want us to go there?
Really?
Yes.
Wait. Does it involve killing me? Does it? Because I would rather take this information to my grave.
Get out. Leave my side now. Get out!
We need to talk about this. Okay.
Guards!
It's fine.
If I may ask, I would like to know how I came about as member of this family. I mean, how did I become part of the royal home?
I don't get it. Oh. Where did you get that from?
Exactly where I'm supposed to find it. I know my life has been surrounded by secrecy